DJ Chicken can make it work every time. And someone would say, is this love? And everyone would say everything.
Welcome, conscious listeners, to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the heart of reggae music, not just for its infectious rhythms, but for its profound messages. For decades, reggae has been the voice of the oppressed.
Rastafari. We are Rastafari.
What led to this gathering?
The amplifier for social justice and a beacon of hope for change. We're counting down 12 reggae songs that carry the weight of powerful social messages, songs that have resonated across generations and continue to inspire. Prepare to have your mind opened and your spirit moved. Let's begin our journey.
I say the people of Hanssworth. Hanssworth is us. We're talking.
Kicking off our countdown at number 12, we have the iconic Hanssworth Revolution by Steel Pulse. Released in 1978, this song isn't just a title, it's a raw, unflinching account of the racial tensions and police brutality experienced by the West Indian community in Handsworth, Birmingham, UK. The lyrics paint a vivid picture of systemic oppression. Police brutality has got to cease. Give us what we want. Peace. It was a direct response to the real-life struggles and riots occurring in the area. Steel Pulse, as one of the UK's most prominent reggae bands, gave a voice to the voiceless, using their music as a form of protest and solidarity. The song's enduring power lies in its universal message against injustice, resonating with anyone who has faced discrimination.
Marcus Garvey words come to pass. Punk with many stripes. Weeping and wailing.
At number 11, we honor the legacy of a visionary with Burning Spear's Marcus Garvey. Released in 1975, this track is a tribute to the Jamaican-born Pan-Africanist leader, Marcus Garvey, whose philosophies deeply influenced the Rastafari movement and black liberation struggles worldwide. The song acts as an educational anthem, reminding listeners of Garvey's prophecies and his call for black empowerment and repatriation to Africa. Lines like, Marcus Garvey come from far way in the hills of St. Anne, evoke a spiritual reverence for his mission. Burning Spear, led by Winston Rodney, masterfully channels Garvey's spirit, promoting self-reliance, cultural pride, and resistance against colonial mentality. It's a powerful testament to the enduring impact of Garvey's vision.
Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Don't give up the fight. I'm begging you to get up, stand up.
Holding strong at number 10, we have the uncompromising Equal Rights by Peter Tosh. From his groundbreaking 1977 album of the same name, this track is a fierce demand for justice and equality, delivered with Tosh's signature raw intensity. Tosh, a founding member of the Wailers, was never one to mince words. Equal Rights is a direct confrontation of systemic oppression and hypocrisy. His famous line, "I don't want no peace, I need equal rights and justice," challenges the notion of superficial peace without true equity. It's a revolutionary statement that resonates deeply with civil rights movements globally, highlighting that true peace cannot exist without fundamental justice for all.
Guess who's coming to dinner? That suffering made me realize what it takes and the hour.
Coming in at number 9, it's the hauntingly beautiful Guess Who's Coming to Dinner by Black Uhuru. This 1979 classic, with its distinctive harmonies and Sly and Robbie's groundbreaking rhythm, addresses themes of political corruption and societal decay. While not as overtly political as some others, the song's cryptic lyrics hint at the fear and uncertainty brought by oppressive systems. Guess Who's Coming to Dinner? Dreadlocks Gonna Suffer can be interpreted as a warning about the arrival of forces that seek to suppress truth and freedom. It speaks to the plight of the marginalized and the constant struggle against those in power who exploit the vulnerable. It's a deeply atmospheric track that captures a pervasive sense of disquiet and resistance.
While I'm living, thanks I'll be giving. What leaders play? Me say who can afford to run will run, but what about?
At number 8, we feature a powerful modern classic, Untold Stories by Buju Banton. Released in 1995, this acoustic, heartfelt song is a raw, introspective look at the struggles of poverty and the allure of crime in Jamaica. Untold Stories stands out for its vulnerability and authenticity. Buju Banton, known for his often controversial dancehall lyrics, here strips back the bravado to address the desperate choices faced by many in marginalized communities. Lines like, "How can you expect me to be gentle when my life is so hard?" are a poignant cry for understanding and empathy. The song advocates for education, self-improvement, and turning away from violence, making it a powerful message of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. Sliding into number 7, we have The Chilling Prophecy of War in Babylon by Max Romeo. This 1976 roots reggae masterpiece is a vivid portrayal of societal breakdown and divine judgment. The song is a stark warning against the corruption and violence prevalent in society, particularly in Jamaica during a politically turbulent era. Romeo uses vivid imagery of conflict and impending doom, speaking to both literal and spiritual warfare. There's a War in a Babylon, a bloody war, is a powerful declaration that resonates with conflicts in any oppressive system. It's a call for repentance and righteous living, underscoring the deep spiritual and ethical dimensions often found in roots reggae.
Many rivers to cross, and this loneliness won't leave me alone.
At number 6, we find the enduring classic Many Rivers to Cross by Jimmy Cliff. Released in 1969, this timeless ballad transcends genres, but its message of perseverance in the face of overwhelming odds is deeply rooted in the struggles often articulated through reggae. While not a protest song in the traditional sense, Many Rivers to Cross is an anthem of resilience and the arduous journey of overcoming hardship. The rivers symbolize the countless obstacles and challenges one faces in life, particularly for those striving for self-improvement or fighting for their freedom. It speaks to the universal human experience of struggle and the unwavering determination required to keep moving forward. Its emotional depth makes it a powerful source of comfort and inspiration. Cracking the top 5, it's the prophetic 2/7's Clash by Culture. Released in 1977, this album and its title track became legendary for predicting a period of social upheaval and spiritual reckoning based on Rastafarian prophecies. The song refers to a belief popularized by Rastafarian prophet Leonard Howell that 1977, the year 77, 2/7s, would be a time of significant change and divine judgment. The lyrics, 2/7's clash, Rasta, come with a plan, speak to the anticipation of a societal breakdown and the rise of a new consciousness. It encapsulates the deep spiritual and apocalyptic themes within Rastafari, reflecting a desire for a new world order free from oppression and injustice. The song's influence was so profound that it reportedly led to a decrease in crime in Jamaica on July 7, 1977, as people feared the prophecy.
I had a vision last night. It's not it, don't give up, hold on.
At number 4, we celebrate the foundation with Roots Radics by the Gladiators. This 1979 track is more than just a song. It's an affirmation of cultural identity and a call to return to authentic traditions. While the Roots Radics band is famous for its rhythms, this song by the Gladiators specifically speaks to the importance of roots, embracing one's heritage, culture, and spiritual origins. It's a rejection of Western assimilation and a celebration of African identity and traditional values. Roots Radics encourages self-awareness and pride in one's roots, a powerful message of cultural resistance and affirmation in a world often dominated by colonial influences.
Mama Africa, I'm feeling fine.
and I hope you find it.
Breaking into our top 3, we have the soaring anthem Hello Africa by Garnet Silk. Released in 1992, this song is a beautiful and fervent call for the repatriation of the African diaspora, embodying the Pan-African ideals central to reggae. Garnet Silk's powerful vocals and heartfelt delivery make Hello Africa an incredibly moving piece. The song expresses a deep longing for the ancestral homeland and a call for unity among Africans worldwide. Hello Africa, this is your long-lost child. I'm calling out to you across the ocean wide, speaks to the yearning for identity and belonging. It's not just a geographical longing, but a spiritual and cultural one, advocating for the return to a place of true freedom and self-determination, free from the shackles of post-colonial existence.
Until the philosophy which old one race of theory will remain but a fleeting illusion to be pursued.
And now for our penultimate pick at a very strong number 2, it's the Immortal War by Bob Marley and the Wailers. From the iconic 1976 album Rastaman Vibration, this song directly incorporates words from a speech by Ethiopian Emperor Haile Selassie I, making it one of the most overtly political and significant reggae anthems ever. War takes Haile Selassie I's 1963 speech to the United Nations General Assembly and sets it to a haunting, powerful reggae rhythm. The lyrics condemn racial discrimination, injustice, and oppression, declaring that there will be war until these evils are eradicated. Lines like, "Until the philosophy which hold one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned, everywhere is war," are a direct, unwavering demand for global equality. Marley's passionate delivery transforms Selassie's words into a universal cry for human rights and liberation, making it a timeless anthem for social justice.
Get up, stand up for your rights. We love you on your stallion. A mighty God is the living man.
And finally, taking the top spot in our countdown, the undisputed champion of reggae's social messages, Get Up, Stand Up by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Released in 1973 on the Burnin' album, this song is more than just a track. It's a call to action, a battle cry for human dignity and liberation. Co-written by Bob Marley and Peter Tosh, Get Up, Stand Up is an electrifying anthem that implores listeners to fight for their rights and not be complacent in the face of injustice. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. These lines are etched into the global consciousness. It's a universal message of empowerment, urging individuals to challenge oppressive systems, question authority, and seek spiritual and social freedom. From civil rights movements to environmental protests, this song has provided the soundtrack for countless struggles for liberation. It encapsulates the very essence of reggae's power as a tool for change, reminding us that the fight for justice is ongoing and demands active participation. Its enduring relevance and sheer impact make it undeniably the most powerful social message song in reggae history. And there you have it, 12 reggae songs with powerful social messages that continue to echo across time, reminding us of the genre's profound commitment to justice, equality, and liberation. Reggae isn't just music. It's a movement, a philosophy, and a continuous call for a better world. Which of these songs resonates most with you? Are there any other powerful reggae anthems you think we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of reggae, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep the conscious vibes flowing. One love.